Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about another easy work types that are available on Fiverr.com, and the pay rate of these works are pretty well. So in this video, I'm going to cover the full overview of the job and the process of how to complete a project like this, okay? So here, as you can see, I have got an order on the gig and I'm going to click on view to share more information with you. So here the price or the order rate is $20, and let's see, here is the gig title: find Instagram influencers for your brand. And I'm going to open the gig to give you a better overview here. And here's the conversation between me and my client. This client didn't send me any message before he placed the orders. Here is his message, okay? So here's his website, and here he mentioned we need furniture designers, or let me know what you think. So basically they sell modern furnitures, and they are looking for influencers who will advertise their furnitures into their Instagram page. And my responsibility is to find these influencers. And here, as he wanted to know what I think, so I just asked him here, as you can see: hi Jacob, can you please help me by providing some idea of your goal? Is it If it is getting sales, my suggestion would be going after home or interior decorators, okay? So as he is selling furnitures, so his potential customer could be found from home or interior decorators followers, okay? So I have just suggested him, and then, is it okay to collect American and European decorators? What do you think? And then he just instructed me to collect American home and interior decorators, and then I just let him know that, oh, it's all right, I'm going to collect American home or interior decorators, okay? This was the conversation between me and my client, and now I'm going to show you the details of the project, that what actually it is. So here's the title: I will find Instagram influencer for your brand. And let me show you the pricings first before I go to this description, okay? So basically, when I am going to give a 8 influencers list to a client, I will receive $10. And by giving 15 influencers to a client, I'm receiving $15. And by giving 22 influencers to a client, I'm receiving $20. So client ordered me to this spec 22 influencers for $20, and I have already completed the task. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how I worked and how I collected these informations and what are the resources I used, okay? All right, so let's talk about the overview here. I'm actually going to give you the full view of this overview, so you'll be able to read if you need when you are watching this video. So basically, most of my clients for this gig has a business, and they want to get the number of sales to be improved, and then they chose Instagram influencers to advertise their products to their followers, and then the followers purchase the products, and the business owner's sales growth, okay? That's the thing here. So here I'll do for you: find the best influencers for your niche, make sure the engagement ratio is high and suitable for your intention, okay? And then you will receive, I'm telling my client, you will receive an Excel file with following info fields. I'll provide Instagram profile link, username, full name, bio, followers number, post engagement ratio, and niche information when needed. So this is the task. Now I'm going to show you how I worked on this project. So the goal was to collect, let's see, American home interior decorators. So first of all, we'll need to have an Instagram account. So I have one here, okay? And then I have made a Google search. First thing here, I have made a Google search: American home interior decorators. I have just copied the full keyword here, and then I just click on search Google for this keyword, okay? And you will see here top 10 American. I have just made a Google search with the keyword American home or interior decorators, and I have found a link here, as you can see: 67 best classic American interior designs. But actually I'm looking for designers, okay, not for designs. So I opened this link and then I move back. But when I look at this link, as you can see, top 10 American interior designers you need to know. I just opened this link to get my first one or first 9 influencers, and then I moved back. I used these influencers to find more to complete the 22 list. Okay, so here as you can see, top 10 American interior designers you need to know, and here on the link we have got some names. These are the influencers: Michael S. Smith or Michael S. Smith, Kelly Wersler, and then Martin Lawrence Bullard, and etc. etc. I have got few names here, but let me show you how I find his Instagram profile to add to my influencers list here. Okay, so I have just copied the name. Sorry, here it is. I have just copied the name and put it on my Google Google search bar here, and then I have just added interior design. Okay, as he's an interior designer, and made a Google search. Very simple. And here is his website. We can move from this link by using his website, or we can still uh, go from directly from your Instagram profile. So I am going to open this Instagram link, and here we go. Michael S. Smith. This is an account of interior designer Michael S. Smith. Okay, and here is his follower count. So let me put these informations here on this spreadsheet. Let me give it a view. Oops. Okay, so I'm putting the information here. For example, so Instagram link, I need this Instagram link. I'm going to copy the link, and then I need to collect the name. So here's the name, Michael S. Smith. Then I have to collect the handle, this one. And if I have to collect bio, then we have to collect, let me put bio here. We have to collect this part. Okay, oops, this part, copy this bio section and paste it here. And then we have got to collect the followers count and engagement. Followers count and engagement. To collect engagement ratio and the followers count, I basically use an website or resource which is Influencer Marketing Hub. So I will add the link of this website in the description field for your use. Okay, so here's the website. So after visiting this page, you have to go down and find this one, Instagram calculator. Click on this, and here, summary ways to make money on Instagram influencer earning calculator. Click on this link. Okay, and then you will find an interface like this. And now we have to copy this Instagram handle name, copy, and then we have to paste it here. Paste, click on the search bar or search tool, and here we go. We have got the exact count of the followers for this profile and the percentage of engagement ratio. So I'm going to copy the followers count here, and the engagement ratio is 1.26%. Okay, so the engagement ratio is based on last 10 or 15 posts. Okay, as you can see here, he has got 1000 like, 899 like, 643. So these by calculating 10 posts of his profile, this tool provides us an average ratings or average engagement rate for any profile. Okay, so this was the task. Just, and let me show you, when you are not getting influencers on Google searches, what we have to do, we just have to use keywords. Okay, keywords like, let me put a keyword here, interior designer. Okay, so this one is not working, but no problem. Let's make a search, interior designs. Okay, interior design. Okay, so here interior designer, interior design, interior design, etc etc. So as I'm looking for interior designer, I'm going to click on this keyword hashtag, And then if we just open few of the posts, like this one is from a company, so we don't need a company post, we are looking for a personal profiles. Okay, so here home design, this one is also a company. Okay, so this one, so here Elizabeth interior design blog, and she has got 103K followers, and we can collect this handle. Okay, as we can see a personal name here and the other details. Okay, so I have just tried the keyword interior designer, and I have found few posts here on this page, and then I have clicked and found this profile. Okay, so after getting a profile, let me show you how you can get more profiles similar to this one, when we have to fill at least 20 or 22 rows here. Okay, so we just need to click on this down arrow button, and it will give us few suggested profiles. So I'm going to open a few to see if we can get similar profiles. So let's keep this three. So shop something. Okay, shop then something, and here you can see Shopee interior design. So she's an interior designer as well, so we have got another influencer for our client. Okay, very easy. We have just tried or used this down arrow button. We can get interior designers by clicking on this arrow button as well. So whenever you are visiting a profile of any subject and you are clicking on down arrow button, you will get similar profiles appeared here on the suggested list. Okay, so here again, this person is also Lauren Nashville. She's from Nashville and her name is Lauren. She's also an interior designer. Okay, as you can see, interiors. So this is how these projects or this task this is how you have to perform on this task to complete the work, and the pay rate is quite good. And you can copy my gigs information, not totally as it is. You have to make few changes on your gig. For example, I have written here, I'll find Instagram influencer for your brand. You can use I'll find Instagram influencers for your business. Okay, just make a little change, otherwise Fiverr will give you a strike. Okay, and then you can copy these parts as well, but please don't forget to make little changes on each of the sections, so that Fiverr will release, or Fiverr will keep you your account will be safe on Fiverr. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video and let me know your opinion by commenting below. And if you have got any question, please don't forget to let me know by commenting as well. And please subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this in future, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.